Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I have another 100x meme coin gem on Solana today called TREN. Another one. This was mentioned on the Banter show, and we are down intensely. We are down 52% today. I am bringing it to you guys on the low. They were buying this thing on the Banter show for 4.5 million market cap, and they bought the thing all the way up to 8.2 million market cap. I'm bringing it to you guys right here today for 2.3 million market cap. Very low price. We have rode the whole downtrend down. We didn't ride the whole downtrend down, but I did buy a lot of dips in this area, and I've scalped a lot in this range. Now we've come through this 618 level. When we reached through the 618 level, we kind of broke this downtrend. Now in between these two levels over here, we're kind of just ranging right now. On another time frame over here, if you looked at this, we are still sort of petering out. We could come all the way down. We could come a bit further down in this level. I actually have this wrong. Do I have this wrong? No, I don't have this wrong at all. Yeah, we could come down a little bit lower right here. We can come down to maybe about 1.9 million market cap, maybe about 2 million market cap, give or take, maybe a little bit lower. But this is a good price, and in this whole range here, between 2.5 and 2 million market cap is a great time to load up on this thing, I think. And this is not financial advice. Do all your own research, please, on these projects, guys. But this thing right now is, like a 258% from its all-time high that we just had here the other day, and if we wanted to say, that run-up was insane, like how big was the run-up from maybe this area right here, 225%. Now it's come all the way back down, you know what I mean? What was I trying to say here? Run up. Let's say the first run up was 1300%, and you're trying to find another run up on this thing, an equivalent run up. This is how we do this right here. Let's say it comes back down to this 1.9 million range right here. You're looking at, what is a 1300% run up is taking you to like the 20 million market cap range. But, I know everybody would be happy to see 10 million. That would be like a 4x, right here would be like a 5x. You've got all of this ahead of you when this thing comes back. And it may look like it died if you look at it on a chart like that. But look at this thing. Do some research on this thing and watch the meme coin show over the weekend with Banter. Because he seems to think, Gustavo, the meme coin king with Banter, seems to think that this thing can compete with MOG. Let's look at MOG. MOG is a coin. Some of you maybe have heard of MOG. MOG coin right here. Let's look at MOG coin. MOG coin is at a 320 million market cap. Okay? 320 million market cap. Now look back at TREN. TREN is a 2.3 million. So that's like over 100x. It's 100x to go to 237 million, which is still smaller than MOG. Not even expecting that. But Sol, I think more people would come to Sol instead of ETH. The MOG one was on ETH. More people would come to Sol because it's cheaper, more volume, more people like to come here. So it's kind of like a go ahead and follow them. It's kind of like a workout guy right here. You know what I mean? Like everybody in the whole team has to have abs. Here's the contract address. I'll post that down below. We have 2,000 followers here, and they have over 1,000. They just broke 1,000 over on Telegram. So they're pretty small still right here. Liquidity's locked for 69 years over here. Look at pin to win. You got all kinds of stuff right here. 1 hour ago, assembled the team. Another council of TREN tonight. Look at this. I mean, they are very active. They've been in here like all day. That's like 4 posts already. There's another post 11 hours ago. There you go. They just keep posting. They're very, look at this. They're very, very active right here. And people are looking at this thing. There was a lot of whale buyers in this thing, like an insane amount of whales that were in this thing. And so now that it's back on the ground floor, you're kind of getting an opportunity to buy it. And like I said, I'm bringing it to you cheaper than it was on the Banter show the other day. So, but go through here. When you do your own research, go through here. What you want to look at, guys, you want to come over here, look at the holders, right? And the holders aren't bad. 15% is in Radium. You got one big holder, but in Bork, you have a holder with 11%. This biggest guy has 5.5%. That's common to have a couple guys that got high percentages like that. So, I mean, to me, to me seems like fair value right here. 100% community sentiment. It's down on all time frames, so you're getting a deal right now. And according to here, there's 3,000 holders, 3,100 holders that we got. So 3,000 holders, 2,000 in the Twitter, 1,000 in the Telegram that we've got right here on TREN. And like I said, TREN is down. It's on the low, and at a 2 million market cap, this thing can move fast. One thing I noticed though, it doesn't move incredibly fast because the liquidity is very high. Look at how high the liquidity is. 722,000 for a 2.3 million market cap coin. That's insane, guys. It's pretty high. And it was over 1 million. It was over 1 million when this thing was up here. But you guys are getting a deal. If this thing comes back, when this thing comes back, you know, you guys are going to make hundreds of %. So definitely don't wait too long to do your research on this here, guys, because the volume bars on the downtrend have really been petering out. There's no more. Nobody else wants to sell. There's people. The people that are left are holders, and the next run will start soon for this thing, in my opinion. I think it'll start soon, and when it goes, it's probably going to go a little something like this. It's going to go a little something like this, take you to a range like that. I'm not going to promise 20 million out the gate, but you're probably looking at like a 5 or a 6x for the next run on this thing, or at least 10 million. There's usually a lot of resistance at 10 million for a lot of tokens. So if it hits 10 million, you got 326% ahead of you. So if you got value out of this, smash that like button. I'm going to keep bringing you guys these gems, these really uber delicious gems, the small ones that could really explode and make you guys a lot of gains. Bring them at good market caps too while they're small. You guys have a chance to get into them. So I'm going to leave it right there, guys. 2.3 million market cap. Have an amazing day, guys. And I love you guys. Take care.